In this video, I would like to show you a new OSINT tool that you can use to gather more information about a username or a person. So let's say that you are searching for a person called Saad Sarraj and you were able to discover this person's Instagram account and their Facebook account. And both of these accounts use unique usernames. So what you can do is take these usernames and search for these usernames across hundreds of social media platforms. And sometimes you'll be able to discover more accounts that are associated to this specific username. But the tool that I'm about to show it to you in this video will not only check whether a username is found on other websites, but it's also going to check whether there are any interconnected accounts that are linked to this username. So let's say that you were able to find that the username Saad Sarraj has an account on Facebook. What the tool is going to do is that it's going to search within Facebook or within this page for any additional usernames that are associated to this account. So let me show you how this tool works. So the tool that you are going to be using is called Linkhook, and you can see here that this tool has been recently developed and got updated. And installing this tool is very simple and easy. All you have to do is just to run this command on your Linux distribution, and then it's going to be installed. So in my case, I have already installed this tool, so I'm going to display the help menu, and here you can see some of the options that you can use. In my case, I always like to use two options. For example, the first one is check breach, which will check whether the username is involved in a data breach. And the second one is called -b, which will open all the links that were found in your browser, which will save some time. Another option that you can use is called the -a, which will scan the username across more websites. So let me show you an example. So first of all, I'm going to type the tool name, and then I'm going to add the username that I'm going to search for it across hundreds of social media or websites. So I'm going to type tryhackme, and I'm not going to use any option for now, and hit enter. And we can see here are some of the accounts that were found. So we can see that this username has been found on Buy Me a Coffee, Linktree, GitHub, and Reddit. In addition to all of that, we can see that this username has another account that is linked to it, which has the username real tryhackme. So let me open this URL, and we can see that this is the GitHub page of tryhackme. And by looking right here, we can see that we have found an email address and an X account with a different username. So this tool did not only show us whether this account or this username is on GitHub or not, it has also searched for any additional usernames that are linked to the found account. Now let's use another option, which is the -a, to search for this username across more websites, and the -b to open all the URLs to make sure whether the username that we were able to find is valid or not, because sometimes some search results are going to be false positive, meaning that if you have opened this URL, you might not find an account. So let's open this right here, and we can see that the account has been suspended, which means that this account were active before and got shut down. So let's close our browser and try this command right now and hit enter. And now this tool is going to search for this username across more websites. So as you can see, here are all the usernames that this tool were able to find. And after this tool is done, it's going to open all of the links that has been found just to check whether these links or these accounts exist or not. So we can see here that there is an account that exists on GitHub, and we can see here that there was an account but it's not verified. Here we have another account that has the username tryhackme, here as well, and here, and here, and we can keep looking at all of the other websites to find whether there are more information on other websites. So we can see that this is the PayPal account of tryhackme, etc. So this is how you can use this OSINT tool to find information about usernames, how you can extract linked account to a certain username. And one more tip, which is once you find an additional username, you can do the same. So in this case, we were able to find that there was another username called realtryhackme. So what you can do is to search for realtryhackme and see whether there are more interconnected accounts that are associated with this username. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.